I sent the last drop as well.
Where did you get these from, man?
A million tears, 35 years.
Don't do too many for one person because we've got to go in a minute.
You're a great
so
poet, man.
Let everyone else at least do one.
I love your poetry, man. Read a lot of it. All right, you signed my shield, brother, remember?
I did.
You did, my shield, the LFCC. Can you sign your picture right on there? You'll have to open it up. Just where you are, brother. Can you do it with a big silver pen? Big silver pen right here. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much.
That is a big silver pen.
That is a big. It's going to the. It's a huge Avengers. It's going to the Shriners charity because you do the children's charity for Shriners, right?
Yeah.
So it's going to them. The front of the Kill Bill too, brother. Thanks.
With the big silver.
Yeah, I'm gonna get them both. Thank you, brother. I love your work. Would you be Nick Fury or would you be the Punisher, Frank Castle? Who would you be, man? Come on. Oh man, he's gonna be one of them, brother.
There you go.
Marvel Universe. Thank you. It's going to Shriners, brother. Thank you. Thanks, Michael. God bless you, man.